Okay, let's give this a go. Set temperature, let's say 90. Okay, 90 degrees. We're not going to use that. We're going to separate 13.3 inch LED. While that's heating up, I'll just test this, see if it works. Okay, power on. Trying to help somebody out on forums. Okay. So this is a dead screen. Yeah, not good. Oh, it's okay. But yeah, I mean, it's got lines, so... Okay. Now I'm not sure if this one has a glue on the screen. If it does, I don't touch them. They're hard to do. And if I was in China or another country, you know, where parts are expensive and labor is cheap, I will do it. But not when you're in Australia. Okay, I think this one is glued. Can you see? Yeah, you can see that glue. So we're not going to be able to do this one. There's just too much glue to go through. Okay, forget this one. Another one. They're cheap to replace. You can buy the entire panel. About 130, 140 Australian dollars. So they're not worth the time to repair. Just want to see if I can take this off. This model has a problem with the ribbon cable breaking, just like that. Common issue. Maybe we won't use the suction. Just trying to find the area where I can get more contact. Okay. So it's about 90 degrees at the moment. So it's reading about 70. So the temperature sensor on the heat plate is saying 90, but it's really not. So let's just see what we can find. I'm not sure how this model works. Comes out. It's peeling off. Wow, finally we're getting a successful removal. So this is about 90 degrees. So the challenge of this video is see if I can do it without cracking the outside LCD digitizer. I wish I had this tool before. If some of the digitizers have broken, could have been avoided. Cool. Oh, nice. See, I've never actually opened a ZenBook screen like this. Wow, first time. I haven't cracked the screen, so there's just a glass all around it. just double-sided tape. There we go. So you know what's inside a AU Optronics 1829. So the year 2018, week 29. CCD. That's the camera ribbon cable. The magnets we can use. That's a different connector too. See, there's really no point opening the screen up because you really can't separate that. You see, you can't use that. That's specifically this connector. This is all proprietary. So you can replace this ribbon cable and you'll be fine. And most of the time, if this model, this ribbon cable is the issue, the bend here, it's like the Apple's, you know, what do you call it? Flex gate, yeah. Similar thing here. So Apple is not the only company that suffers from that. At least Apple owns up to their problem after people like Louis Rossman reports about it and talks about it. Makes a big deal. And then Apple does something, otherwise I'm sure they wouldn't do anything about it and let people suffer. ASUS, for example, they'll never do a recall or anything like that. You do get what you pay for. I mean, this is not a cheap machine either, but still, users don't get compensation. But replacing this screen is cheaper, probably 8 to 9 times cheaper than replacing a MacBook with a screen problem. Okay, so this part I just want to see whether it's glued to the screen. Yeah, also, see that? So I'm not going to bother with this. It can come off, but it will take a long time and not something I want to work with. Sweet. That's the end of this video, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support this channel.